Hi, Mary here from Dine, Dream, and Discover. We're here with the Cauldryn Battery Operated Heated Coffee Mug. And we're going to open it up and see what we have. We have the mug part. And this is the bottom part. Charges. Here's the cord. And we have the other bottom part. This is the screws. We have the other plug. And you can actually heat up stuff in this, like the soup, if you want soup. And we're going to wash it out. We're going to give it a try. Best part is it connects by an app, so you can adjust your temperature to the perfect setting. It'll keep it at that setting, and I will give you more details. But according to the box, you can set the temperature, brew coffee, brew tea, boil, freeze dried. Huh. Okay, this is pretty interesting. It has a heating element, up to 10-hour battery life, the sipping lid. Can't drink coffee without that. All right, brew, boil, and cook. Cauldryn Coffee Mug. We shall return. Hi, Mary here from Dine, Dream, Discover. We're here with the Cauldryn all-day temperature control coffee mug. It's an electric coffee mug that's going to keep your coffee at the right temperature all day long. You can also brew, boil, and cook in it. So here's how it works. We have the mug part. This is the bottom part with the temperature control on it. So we're going to screw that on. And then this is the part you can plug it in and keep it plugged in. It'll keep it at the proper temperature all day. Or this is the battery part. You line up the arrows and screw it on. And we got it. Okay, just want to make sure it's on right. And here's the cover. So what we're going to do is, we already downloaded the app onto our phone. I have it on my Android, and I also have it on my iPhone. So we're going to turn it on, and we are going to connect to it. Continue. And okay. So here we got select a function, boil, brew coffee, perfect cup, black tea, green tea, set temperature, freeze dried, connect. So if we want to set the temperature, what do you want your coffee to be at? 150? Once you set that temperature, it will stay there all day. It says, shows you that your temperature set was successful. Shows you what it's at, Celsius, Fahrenheit, and there it is. You can see right there, it says 150. These blue lines here mean how much your battery's charged. We already charged it. So that means it's fully charged. All 4 lights are on. Each one is 25%. So if it was down to here, you'd know you only had 25% left. So back here is where you plug it in to charge the battery portion. You can also buy a DC adapter for the car if you wanted to, but I don't feel I need that. This is great at work, at your office, at your desk. You can keep your coffee warm, make your coffee, cook your soup, and we're gonna heat up some soup. I will be right back. I put my soup in, I turned it on, I connected. So here's the boil button. We're gonna hit boil. Boil will take it to 212. These blue lights will tell you. The first light is 104, second light's 140, The third light's 176, and the fourth light is 212. And you could say, well, you could just pop it in a microwave. Well, yeah, I could, but we're not always near where we can turn on the microwave. So when we're camping, I have my battery pack on my cauldron, and I can just heat up my coffee or my soup. And you can see it's up to 153. If you're sitting at your office desk, you got a lot of work to do. Heat up your soup there, your coffee, tea. You can boil coffee. You can boil your hot water for your tea. If your battery pack dies, just plug it in if you're near an outlet. There's the plug. That also charges the battery pack here. The cup doesn't get hot. You can keep your coffee at the proper temperature for the whole day, rather than a regular thermos where the coffee will be scalding when you go to try to drink it. Makes a great Christmas gift. The cover is open. Allows for the steam to escape. Okay, so we're almost at temperature. I had switched over the base to show you how this one works. It just sets in the base, and I have it plugged in. This is just pops on, twist it, turn it, and it's on. That's the battery. You want to do it at your desk or outside, wherever you are. Here's how the buttons work. This top left button is the battery saver. You can see the little battery popped up there. Bottom button switches from Fahrenheit to Celsius. This one here, you set your temperature with. Top one will take it to the high temperature, and the low one will take it to, if you want it at 175, put it at 175. Once it gets to that temperature, it will maintain at that temperature. So if I leave this the way I have it set, it'll stay at 212 degrees. And you have to remember, when you're boiling, always make sure that this lid is open so the steam can escape. The battery lasts up to 10 hours. You can control it with an Android or iPhone. It has a sipping lid. You can also buy a DC adapter. You can buy a blender. For it, so you can blend stuff. It is not dishwasher safe. It must be hand washed. We are at 212 degrees. Now I just set it at what I want it to stay at. If I want it at 200 degrees, I go to 200, and it'll stay at 200. And then, I don't know if you can see, I'll take the cover off. There's my soup inside. Nice and warm, ready to drink. And there you have it. Cauldron all-day temperature control. Coffee cup. Mary from Dine, Dream, and Discover makes a great Christmas present.